Okay, again, this question you don't have to do, okay, because again, this are the work done. Alright, then this one, it says that the weight is this much. Then they say the length, breadth, height, blah blah blah. Okay, then after that they say G. So calculate the mass in grams. So we have the weight there. So W equals mg. So it's 125 equals to m times g, which is 10. Okay, then this gives me 12.5. This is kg. So I convert. This will give me 12500 grams. Okay, then next, this is the volume. So it's 4.3 times 6 times 2. 4.362 and divide 4.3625. This gives me 4.3 times 6 times 25. 645. Okay, so give us calculate density. So density, thank God everything is in grams and cm cube. So mass over volume, so mass would be 12500, volume 645. So 12500 divided by 645. 19.4 gram per cm cube, 3SF. Okay. Yep. So the bar may be turned so that any of the face faces in contact with surface. Least pressure. Least pressure means biggest contact area. Okay. So pressure equals to force over area. So the force is 125. So 125 biggest contact area, meaning it has to be on this surface. So 25 times 6. Okay, 25 times 6. This gives me 125 divided by 25 times 6, 0.833. Okay, that's it. Yay. Next one, last one. Okay, so the liquid do not mix. Okay. Though the cross-sectional area density of A is this much, then at point X, at the junction between A and B, Y is at the same horizontal distance in liquid B. Okay, the surface of liquid A is this much above liquid P. Okay, is this much above. Okay, calculate the mass of liquid A. So again, to calculate mass, I need to use density equals to mass over volume. Oopsie. Okay, so density A, right? So density is 1.2. Mass I don't know, but what about the volume? They said cross-sectional area is 3, so 3 times 15. This gives me the cross-sectional area. So this will give me 1.2 times bracket 3 times 15. Because mass equals to 54 grams. Okay, so 54. Okay, because they say the cross-sectional area here is 3 ma. Okay, that means it's like a thickness of the tube like that lah. Pressure at point X due to A. Point X due to A. What is the pressure? So pressure, again, it's force over area. So what is the force? Force is like the whole weight of it dropping down. So I must use 54. I must convert to kg. Then I must times that. This will give me my weight. Then the area is actually 3 because that's cross-sectional area. So it's 54 divided by 1000 to change to 1 kg, then times 10 to change to weight, then I divide by 3, which is the cross-sectional area. This gives me 0.18. The pressure due to liquid B, where's liquid B? Oh, right. At point Y is the same pressure as A at point X. Okay, so this pressure here, the pressure here, and the here is the same. Okay, so I already found that here is actually 0.18 Newton per cm squared. So it should be the same, right? Okay, so calculate the density of B. Okay, so if I know the pressure is this much, to find density, what do I need? Do I have wait, to find density, density equals to mass over volume. Okay, do I have the mass? Wait, they said, wait a minute, what information did I give to okay, wait a minute, same pressure. So to be the same pressure, it means that my volume is actually, wait a minute, oh, why am I doing this so crazy? Okay, they give me this height already, right? So to find volume, maybe I find it here. To find volume is actually 24 times 3. So 24 times 3, 72 cm cube. Okay, so density, density equals to mass over volume. Okay, so volume I have what? Let me see. I got 72. Okay, actually I'm not thinking already. But never mind. Okay, so what's my density? I do not know. So I have two unknowns. So I need to calculate mass. But the thing is, they say pressure is the same. So if pressure equals to force over area, so it's same pressure, right? What is the area? The area is actually 3, remember? So what's my force? My force will be 0.18 times 3. So 0.54, but this is in Newton. I have to convert back to grams. So 0.54 0.54 divided by 10. This will give me in kg. Then times 1000. This will give me in grams. So 0.54 divided by 10 times 1000. This will me 54 g. Okay, because I need to, this part over here is to convert to kg. This part over here is to help me convert to grams. Okay, so this is 54. So density would be 54 divided by 72 is actually 0.75 grams per cm cube. That's it. Yay, we are done.